elusive, gorgeous, often place hard to get. No, this isn't the main character in a film. It's the Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. This natural phenomenon is so stunning and ethereal, people travel from across the globe for a chance to catch a glimpse of it. Here's your guide to the very best places to see the Aurora Borealis across Canada, how and when to catch a show, and tips on making the most of the experience. Whether it's from a cushy viewing capsule in a Northwest Territories teepee village or remote mountain base camp in Newfoundland and Labrador. The Aurora Borealis happens in the Northern Hemisphere when the sun's electrically charged particles, riding on a solar wind, enter the Earth's atmosphere and collide with gases, namely oxygen and nitrogen. When the sun is at its most active is when you're most likely to catch a spectacular display. The name comes from Aurora, the Roman goddess of dawn, and Boreas, the Greek god of the north wind. Much of Canada's north lies beneath the Northern Hemisphere's Auroral oval, a hot spot for activity. Why is it so special? First of all, the Aurora Borealis is elusive, which makes it all the more attractive. It's an awe-inspiring natural phenomenon and there's no guarantee of a show. That said, your chances for sightings are good, especially in the north near the magnetic pole. The effect makes for fantastical hues, though the lights can take all kinds of forms, from arcs and rippling curtains, to misty wisps and translucent clouds. Sometimes it's an eerie green, sometimes it's shimmering purples, pinks, and yellows. Green is the most common, while red is rare. The colors zig-zag, and move surprisingly quickly, some say dance, across the inky night sky. The very best place to see Aurora Borealis in Canada, if not the world, is the Northwest Territories, where they're generally visible 240 nights a year. The optimal time frame is either fall or winter, though summer is pretty good, too. Autumn, if solitude is your thing, take a scenic bush plane ride from Yellowknife to elegantly rustic fly-in Blatchford Lake Lodge and Wilderness Resort. Watch the Aurora show from the deck hot tub or the dome-shaped rock out front overlooking the water. The best part? You can combine hiking, fishing, and paddling with the big show. Winter, the lights are especially dramatic in winter, contrasted against a frozen, white wonderland. The most convenient way to take in the show is in cozy comfort at Aurora Village, a teepee village just outside Yellowknife. Specially designed for Aurora observation, the place is equipped with spacious wood stove-heated teepees, fur-lined sofas, and warm viewing capsules that recline.